show you something that's super cool. I will thank the manufacturer for sending me this. My dogs are going to love it. It is a 3-level bamboo dog feeder station. Let me pull it out of the box. These are the 3 uprights. These are the 3 pieces that hold the bowls in. We've got 3 bamboo bowls, 3 stainless steel bowls, and the base plate. So, let me just give you a quick rundown of how this is going to work, and then I'm going to go together and show you. So, okay, I pulled it out of the box, and these are all the pieces you have. You have the base plate. You have 3 uprights that will fit right here, like that. I'm going to screw that together in a second. But the way the bowl holders go is they go in like this, and then there's little bamboo pieces that lock it in the back, and then you put the bowl on it. 3 stainless steel bowls, 3 levels for adjustment. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together, and then we'll show you what it looks like. And you'll notice these are recessed nice, so when they go on, the screws won't rub on your table down below, and up here they'll be out of the way. So let's go to the top on this one, and then I take this tab, put it right in the back, and then lock it in. Let's go to the middle on this one, and then take this tab and we lock it in, and then we'll go to this bottom one. We'll take one of these tabs and once again lock it in, put a bowl on it there. Put a bowl on it here. Alright, that is really cute. That is really fun. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me this so I can do this unbox and install and show you how it works. And another really creative, fun thing is you could use this as a planter. You could have different succulents at 3 levels and put it in the corner of your room next to the window. But we've got multiple dogs around here, so I think we're going to use it for feeding our dogs. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe. There's a link to this down in the description below. You can get it off Amazon, and I'm kind of excited about it. Sustainable bamboo dog bowl rack and or plant stand.